Aloha! Welcome to our konúko. So on today's video, I want to do a little language learning and give you a tour of our konúko to see what's growing. We'll start on this area of the konúko where I have a few things growing that you may have seen already. So this is maisi, corn. Some Taíno variants call it mahisi. Of course, we're doing companion planting, so I'm planting maisi or mahisi corn with her other sister. In Taíno, the word for pumpkin is auyama. If you see over here, I've spotted a little white butterfly. Let me see if I can find her. There she is. Oh, running away, running away. The word for butterfly is tanama. We also have a little glow-in-the-dark tanama here that's guarding the zucchini. Something that I did this year was that I grew sweet potato. The Taíno word for sweet potato is batata, and this is what the batata leaf looks like. And she's stretching all the way over there. I also planted some right here. And batata is a Taíno word that was then transformed into potato in English. Let me get out of the shot so you can see. It is, and that is the leaf. Very different from the potato leaf, which looks like this. I also have a lot of nagu growing in my garden. Nagu is flowers, and the word for flower is ana. And at the front of our garden, I also have wildflowers of all kinds growing. So you can see a lot of different types of wildflowers. I actually like to hang petunias and other little flowers with that kind of like trumpet-like feel for the hummingbirds because they're absolutely attracted to them, and I see them come to my window every morning. And I have this little guy, this little colibri or hummingbird chime here, and I have a matching pair here. Once in a while the hummingbirds will come and look curiously at this guy. I don't know if it looks too realistic for them, but they definitely think it's very curious. So that's it from our konúko today. I hope that you enjoyed this summer's plantings and you have more things coming up for fall. I'll have to wait for the auyama pumpkin to see how it does. In the meantime, happy planting!